Today I'm gonna do the unicorn ball. Fun surprises. Look her hair. It's so golden, and she has a crown there, and the gem, and her beautiful dress she's wearing. And here is her rainbow thing, and she's so beautiful. Look at what is there, guys? That's a very nice ball. So excited what the surprise is gonna be in here. Ooh. Okay. It's gonna be there. It's gonna be there. Wow! It's very! She has a white cute one. She doesn't have it. Oh! Wow! It's a beautiful comb brush. It's a comb brush. I'm cutting my hair. Ooh, I'm a ghost. You better be careful. Ooh, it's beautiful. Hey guys, you know what's for next? It's just unicorn. Oh, sorry, unicorn. Wow! It's so beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. But we still need comb ups. Start a little mercy by missed it. She's maybe the character of this little cute, little beautiful dress. Okay. Skirt. The purple sheep and with her skirt and with her necklace and with her hairband. She's so cute and with the purple shoes. She's so cute. 12. Let me touch her. Yeah, she's right. So, what's the skirt? I have one more. I forgot. Okay. The party bag. Oh my god. Wow, the slime. Look at the slime. So nice. I got slime out.